What's up you guys, I hope you all are safe and fine. This is Ananshi and this is my friend Harshi और हम लोग यहाँ पे करने आए हैं ब्लैक फ्राइडे सेल की शॉपिंग जो हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया था कि बिल्कुल नहीं करने वाले and we ended up doing so much of shopping. So welcome back to my channel. Ta-da-da-da-da. You had to do that, but it's okay. So I'm going to show you all everything that I bought, especially from H&M. So stay tuned. Bap pants.
So good.
Yes, that's the reason we are taking it. But your size is not available.
Anything in my size.
इतनी पतली कमर क्यों रखते हो? Look at the amount of shopping that we have done. भाई बिल भरने के लिए पैसे नहीं बचे थे और नहीं करके. And what? I तो did not want to shop.
I also didn't want to shop.
But नहीं करके अपन ने कितने हजार की शॉपिंग कर दी?
40.
ये ऐसा ही होता है, ऐसे दोस्तों के साथ आते हैं तो. What's up you guys? I know you all already saw that the video is about the Black Friday sale shopping that I did and it's like way too much. Usme the collection in H&M was so good. So I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I got and also this video is not just about the Black Friday sale but also a huge H&M shopping haul because मैंने most of the things H&M से लिए and trust me, real good stuffs. Anyways, the t-shirt right now that I'm wearing is from Zara Kids Boys and मैंने देव के लिए लिया था तो मेरे को मेरे भाई के साथ ट्विनिंग करना था तो मैंने 13 to 14 years वाले बच्चों का ले लिया मेरे लिए. So you know it looks really cool. Anyways, let's get started. The very first thing that I got is this satin pink color dress with rhinestone straps from Zara. It's a very pretty cute dress. Not cute, it's just too pretty and I really want someone to ask me for dinner so that I can wear this amazing dress. Just kidding, I'll wear it very soon, I don't know where. So anyways, I got this for 3,000 rupees and it looks really pretty on me and yeah, this is the first thing that I got. So I really liked the dress when I saw it but I wasn't sure if it will suit me but when I wore it, it did suit me. It is not suiting this didi but it is suiting me. The second product is avoid the bag. वो बेचारा H&M की सारी थैलियों के बीच में दब गया था क्योंकि H&M से इतना लिया था. Is this cute small purse from Aldo which is originally for 7,000 rupees but there was a huge sale in Aldo. The whole store was flat 50% off इसीलिए बहुत बड़ी लाइन थी उधर. But anyways, this is a very cute purse that I got. The color, the texture of the purse, the chain gives it another look. Also it has a cross body strap included so you can wear it either ways. Like you can even use it as a crossbody bag or like a small cute purse, like a top handle cute purse. And yes, it will look very good on black outfits, white outfits, and if you all want to wear contrast colors and pair it up. So it's a very cute purse and 3,500 is worth because yeah, sale में था. 7,000 का होता तो मैं भी नहीं लेती. So the best thing is H&M was having a flat 20% on the whole store. So that's why I couldn't stop myself from shopping more and more. If you guys have still not subscribed my channel then क्या करो जल्दी करो because you all have to stay updated with all the shopping hauls that I post so that you all get to know all the cool deals and all the cool clothes that I buy. So yeah, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you all get the notification every time Hinanshi is posting a video for you guys. Okay, let's continue. The next product that I got is from H&M is this No Fear oversized t-shirt. So basically H&M is having a full section of No Fear collection and उसमें से मैंने बहुत कुछ लाया है which this is one of them. So this is a small size. It's an oversized t-shirt, gives a very cool look. So the price for this is 1,300 and I have already worn it twice as you all can see in the Geo BKC Drive-In Theatre wala vlog also. I wore this t-shirt and it looks really nice and there is another color available which is black but I went for the white one because well I wanted the white one. The next product is this Josie crop top from the No Fear collection that I got for 800 rupees. The size that I got is medium and I paired it up together and you'll see the look real soon, so stay tuned and watch it. Next product is this oversized tracked jacket which is green in color. I got it for 2,300 rupees. Again it's from the No Fear collection. The size that I got in this is a XS size and it also has a track pant. So it's basically a cord set with the Josie crop top that I just showed you all. So this is the No Fear collection track pant. It has buttons over here so you all can even open it and wear it in order to look more cool. So this is how it will look after opening and wearing it. Bottoms are for 1,500 rupees and the size in bottoms is medium. So this is pretty cool. So I was just walking around, and when I saw this No Fear collection, I just ended up taking 4 things together, and trust me, it looks so cool when you wear that jersey crop top with this oversized full set. It looks amazing, and without giving it a second thought, I took it. Next product that I got is this fluffy knit crop top for 1300 rupees. The size that I got in this is a medium size, and this is also a set because it has joggers. Okay. Because it has joggers also of the same material, and trust me, the material is so soft and so warm. मतलब क्या मजा आएगी ये पहनने में. I would just feel so cute and sleepy when I wear this. It's so comfortable and it looks really pretty. Size that I got in the joggers is a medium size, and the joggers are for 2000 rupees, and the top is for 1300 rupees, which makes it 3300 for the whole set, which is totally worth it. And obviously I got a flat 20% on it because I bought it on the Black Friday sale. The next product I got is this cropped sweater vest, which is for 800 rupees, and the size that I got in this is a small size. So it's a winter wear nice knitted top, which is very comfortable to wear. They had 2 colors more in this, which is white and brown, but I went for the blue one because I need more colors in my wardrobe. The next product I got are these pants, which are for 2300 rupees. Blue checkered straight fit with a cut in the end, high waist pants. The size that I got in this is 40, and it fits really well. You can just wear it for daily wear, casuals, and you can even style it up with that crop top like the way the model of H&M is wearing it. The next product that I got is this jersey white crop top t-shirt, which has a butterfly in between, and they have a lot of colors in this. So I got the white one, and I also got the pink one, which has a heart in between. So these tops are for 1000 rupees each, which I don't think it's worth, but I just needed some crop tops like this, and I was not able to find it for a long time, so I got these. But if you're buying, so they have core sets in this also, so if you're buying the pants, then it makes the top worth, because obviously it becomes a core set and it will look nice. I also wanted to buy the core set, but I'm not a person who goes a lot with low waist pants, and also I just got the tops. The size that I got in this is medium, and yeah, it's not worth it, but definitely it's something that is ठीक है भाई, चाहिए था तो ले लिया वाला thing. So the next product I got are these flared leggings leather pants, which is purely vegan, and the price for this is 1500. I got 2 colors in this, one brown and the other one is a white color. I just thought that 1500 is pretty much worth for the product, hence I ended up buying both the colors because I couldn't decide kaun sa loo. Brown color because it's too much in and it's a very trending color. It's a royal color also for me especially, and yes, I can wear these pants in Manali and also obviously when I come back. So I really loved it. The quality is also very good. Yes. So the next product I got are these velour joggers for just 1300 rupees, and it has a really good fit. It is very comfortable, and the best part is कि उसके पीछे की side पे लिखा है, and it also has a crop velour hoodie as a core set, but I was not able to find the hoodie. I'm still on the search. मिल जाएगा तब ला लूँगी. So once I find it, I'll get that also, and it will look very pretty when you wear it together. But apart from that, these pants are also very nice to just buy, and it's very comfortable. The size that I got is medium, and yes, it's a very nice cozy pant. The next product that I've got is this velour shorts, which is brown in color, which is for 1300 rupees, and the size that I've got is a medium size. It also has, so basically it's a set, and it also has a jacket over it, which looks like this, and it is the same material like the black pant which I got. This one is a medium size and it's for 1400 rupees. So I got this set and it looks really cute. I wore this with the black track pants and that's how it looks, and I still have to wear the shorts. So this is one set that I got. The material is very soft, cozy, obviously because it's a velour material, and when you wear it, it looks beautiful and so pretty. Actually, it looks more cute. Next I got is this fox fur bag for 1300 rupees. Abhi mere paas wo bag nahi hai because I've given it to my sister because she's gone out. But I've already used this bag like so many times. As you all can see all the pictures, like pure trip mein maine yahi bag use kiya hai. The bag is very soft, cute and very nice and it goes on all the outfits. So they have different colors like a black one, leopard print and a bear print. I went for this one because I wanted something which goes on all the outfits and at the same time not just plain black. So that's why white and black, and all my friends used to say that I can play chess on it, and yes I can. Anyways, so this is a very cute bag, and right now H&M is having a clearance sale. That's why this bag is only for 780 rupees and all the other products are on sale. So if you all want to buy, just go and check H&M website. I'm going to put all the links in the description box below. So yeah, next I got is this regular fit hoodie, pink color hoodie from men's section, which has Woody Woodpecker written ahead and a full print of it behind. It's a very cute, comfortable hoodie. I wanted an oversized pink color hoodie. That's why I went into the men's section and got it. So it is for 2,300, and yeah, the size that I personally got is a large size. But and they also have a lot of different varieties of hoodies in the men's section of different prints, and also you all should definitely check that. So I got this crop denim jacket for just 600 rupees online from Freakins, which is a store online. What's Your Freak? So I'm gonna put the link below in case if you all want to buy it. I got it for 600 because there was a clearance sale, and that's where I ended up buying it, and it looks really nice and cute. So the next product that I got are these regular wear high waist denim from American Eagle high rise jeggings. So the price for this product is 4,000 rupees, and the size that I got is a 30 waist. I really loved how it looks, and I've already worn it more than 3-4 times, and it looks really nice and it's very comfortable. I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and stay tuned for more videos because you're gonna get more shopping hauls real soon, because that is something I really love to do. तो तुम लोग को भी देखना पड़ेगा, मुझे पता है तुम लोग को जानना है कि मैं मेरे अच्छे कपड़े कहाँ से लाती हूँ और क्या डील्स में लाती हूँ. And take care, bye. If you all still haven't subscribed, do subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.